How to block TikTok comments with keywords. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block TikTok comments with keywords. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open your TikTok account, and then you're gonna click on your profile here at the bottom right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So over here, you're gonna click on these three horizontal lines at the top right, and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So here, you're gonna click on settings and privacy. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to settings and privacy of TikTok. Here, you're gonna click on privacy. And once you do so, you're going to scroll down under the interaction section, you'll be able to see comments. So simply click on comments. And over here, you're going to click on filter keywords in comments. And over here, you're going to toggle this button on that says filter specific keywords. And over here, you're going to type down the words that you wish to block in order to have a clean profile on TikTok. For example, I want to block the word, for example, AI, and click on done. And now you can see that the word is blocked. You'll have 500 words that you can block. So just choose them very carefully and you can simply type those keywords down and those words will be filtered and blocked from your profile. So that is basically how you can block TikTok comments with keywords. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.